If you post on WhatsApp every day and it never for once crossed your mind that it could make you money in return, then I want you to stay locked in. I know a lady personally, and every single morning she updates her WhatsApp. It's always full, and I mean her WhatsApp status. No random posts, no memes, no motivational quotes. It's always testimonials, some clients' results, explanations of what she does, and this is on a repeated mode. She's not active on Instagram, she doesn't post on Facebook, she's not creating YouTube videos. She just shows up on a daily basis on WhatsApp. And from that alone, she makes over $2,000 a month. Now, why does that work? Because the people viewing her status, they are not strangers. They are already contacts. And trust already exists when it comes to WhatsApp. Attention already exists. But that is why WhatsApp stories aren't just stories. They are your mini storefront. And a lot of people, they underestimate the contacts they already have on their phone. But do you know that those contacts are already your leads? Now, some people get 200, 300 views on their WhatsApp stories. And it gets me thinking, if you're getting so much eyeballs on your stories, why are you not making money from it? Because that right there is free traffic. You don't need to spend money on some complicated platform just to talk to people who already know you. You already have a storefront. You already have a space that is free. Because every day you share your life, your thoughts, your routine, you join groups that you eventually archive, and you post memes, funny videos on your status, and people get to watch, they tap in through each of those slides. You check your status every day, but no one had ever told you that your WhatsApp isn't just a place to post. It is actually a place to position, and when you use it the wrong way, it remains a photo book. But when you use it the right way, then it becomes your digital storefront. And that is why in this video, I'm going to show you why most people never get paid on WhatsApp and what actually works there, and also how you can use it without being awkward online. So take a moment, give this video a like, and let me know where you're watching from. So let me start with a very real example. I once signed up for a free class, nothing fancy, and after I registered, I was added to this big WhatsApp community group. At first, it felt normal, just updates, reminders, a few voice notes here and there. But over time, that WhatsApp group grew into thousands of people. And what stood out to me wasn't the size, it was the behavior. Because the founder wasn't chasing people across social media. He wasn't relying on algorithm to push his content forward. He was just basically using WhatsApp as a funnel. People didn't have to open their browser, they were already with their phones. And the information honestly came directly to me through the WhatsApp group. So let me ask you a quick question, and I want you to answer this with all honesty. Now, have you ever joined a WhatsApp group for a class or a church group or business or even maybe your community? Just drop the comments yes or no, because this next part will make a lot more sense. Now, this is where a lot of people tend to overlook. The truth is, WhatsApp removes friction. So even if someone deletes their social media, for example, today, if they don't check their email, even if they are so busy and caught up with work, they still see the message notifications come in because it's already on their phone. And that alone is powerful. It fits into people's lives instead of asking them to rearrange their life by clicking a link or navigating through a platform that they are not familiar with. This works like magic. So the real question is not about the tool you're showing up in, it is the intention. And so at the end of the day, everything comes down to 3 questions, and you need to answer this truthfully. Number 1, what are you selling? Number 2, what problem does that product solve? And number 3, why should someone choose you? And if you don't have clarity on that, then no platform will work. Not WhatsApp, not Instagram, not anything. And to be honest, this is exactly why I created the Skill to Income program. It's not to teach you something brand new, it's just basically to help you get clarity on what you already know, on what you have already, and how you can basically package it and position it so that people that are willing to pay for it sees it and it's easy for them to get it. It's a simple blueprint that basically helps you to stop guessing and to start building income around your existing skills, and I mean the skills you already possess. So if this sounds like something that you need right now, I have left this in the link below. Take a look when you are ready to opt in. And so, no, WhatsApp is not just for chatting. For some people, it's a funnel. For others, it is a storefront. And for many, it is already paying bills quietly. So you don't always need more platforms. Sometimes you just need more attention with the ones you already use. So if this video shifted how you see WhatsApp, give it a like. It helps more people see this video. I'll really appreciate that. And if you want more calm and practical ways to turn what you already know into income, just go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye for now.